Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So welcome to Train for SSB and this is Sanav Singh here. Today we would be talking about various entries for graduates in different branches of armed forces. We would be covering basic details about various entries like the age and the qualification, and in this video we would be restricted to Army. Please keep in mind all the information that has been taken is being provided from the official site of Army and the notification released by Army time to time. In this video we would be covering the entries in two parts, that is direct entry. Other than that is second part would be through UPSC CDS. In direct entries we would be covering bifurcating in two parts, that is technical and other would be NCC special entry. In technical part we have SSC Tech and TGC, and now talking about UPSC CDS we would have SSC non-tech and other would be IMA entry, that is for Indian Military Academy. Now quickly coming to our main part of the video, talking about firstly the technical or the direct entries. Firstly we have SSC Tech, and as said that age group is between 20 to 27 years and the qualification is B or BTech in notified streams of engineering. Now TGC, that is technical graduate course, the age group remains the same and the qualification remains the same, that is B or BTech in notified stream of engineering. So any engineering graduate, may it be from automobile engineering, mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, EC, any person can apply for these, and after that after like who are in final year, they also can apply for these entries. The basic difference between SSC Tech and TGC is permanent commission and SSC is short service commission. And one more difference is that TGC is for now is restricted to for IMA. And this is NCC special entry. As said, it is a special entry for all the NCC C certificate holders. The age group lies between 19 to 25 years and the qualification is graduate with 50% aggregate marks, and they would have done 2 or 3 years of service in NCC, that is in senior division, with minimum B grade in C certificate. Please keep in mind B grade is the minimum criteria in the C certificate exam. And also keep in mind that people who are appearing for the same course like for NCC like SSC non-tech through CDS and NCC special entry, they can appear only once through they can go for NCC special entry or they can go for CDS non-tech entry. Now talking about the UPSC entries. Firstly we would talk about CDS IMA entry, that is Indian Military Academy, and the age group lies between 19 to 24 years and the qualification is graduate from a recognized university. And through CDS you don't need to have a like B or BTech degree. You can be from arts background, you can be from commerce background, or be engineering background. Any graduate or a person studying in final year can apply for this exam, but for now it is only restricted to men. And the other differences, like in CDS for OTA we have 2 papers, that is English and GS, but in IMA one more paper is added, that is mathematics. Now talking about CDS SSC non-tech. I said it is a non-tech entry and the age group lies between 20 to 25 years and the qualification is one must be graduate from a recognized university. As IMA entry, they both can be from various diverse background or diverse field of engineering. So guys, this is it for Army, and if you have any queries, please feel free to comment in the comment box, and if you have any doubts, please comment your doubts. Thank you and have a wonderful day.